Scratch Junior is a visual programming language designed to introduce programming skills to children that age from 5 to 7 by creating projects in Scratch Junior. Your young children can learn to think creatively and reason systematically despite not being able to read. Hello everyone, today we are going to make a game. Click on the home button that is on the screen, click on the plus button. Now you're going to click on the plus button that is on our right side, and then you'll see 6 icons on the topmost part of the screen, and there will be the third option of background. Click on that, click on the paintbrush at the topmost part. Now just select fill button, red color or whichever color you like, and then click the tick mark. Now long press on the character that you can see on the screen, and then you have to just cross it out. After you have done all this, you have to paint the first page with red, but I put it in fourth. That was a mistake. So put it on the first page, which is red, and then there will be 6 icons on the top, and the fourth one is ABC in a circular figure. That I'm typing start in caps lock letters. You can change the color of it and size of it. Now I'm going to increase the size by the maximum, and then the color will be black. Again I'm typing to play in caps lock letters. I'm increasing the size by 1 of it, and color I'll keep it as black. Now next I'm going to click on the character plus button, which is on our left side, and make a circular figure by choosing the circular option in it. Now there will be 6 icons on our right hand side, and you have to, the 6th icon is fill, so you have to fill it, and then you just make it smaller by, you can see options over here. There are 6 options. Choose the third one and make it, just press on it and make it smaller. If you want to make it 4 times, you can just press on it again. Now I'm typing over here play again in caps lock letters, and I'm changing the color of it to red, kind of maroon, or you can say red also. Now this page of this is done, and now we need to add action to the circular figure. You can adjust this play according to your whatever you want to do. Make it in small letters, caps lock letters. It's totally depends. Now I'm going to put the click button, as you can see, the second option among the 5. And in the red color part, you have to click that red color part, and then from that red color part, do second page. Now from this you can just move on to the next page. So here I put the second page icon. Now in the second page you have to click on the background. You can choose whichever background we have just before made. This is just ready made backgrounds. You can just choose one of them. I'm choosing the first one, I mean the second one. And now I'm going to click on the character plus button and choose the bird. This is also a ready made character. You can make characters too. I've chosen a bird, and then I'm going to choose a butterfly. I'm going to increase the size of it by 1. Again I am going to choose a fly, and you can shape it wherever you want to keep it. I have kept it now, and then I'm going to choose one more bird, that is a chicken. Now I've adjusted it. I like it as how it is, so I'm going to adjust a little bit more for it to be very nice to play. So here, this is the final look of the second page. Now again we are going to put some actions in it. Now so first I'm going to take the flag button that shows start, and then the arrow button that goes to the right, and the repeat button, so it keeps on going to the right side, just like how the bird is moving now. Continuously goes on to the right side, and then up we can see a flag button again, and if you click on it, the actions of it starts. And then one more button is just beside it, that is onto the left of it, and that what happens is that when you just click on this button, the characters can stay somewhere. So if you just click on that button, the characters will by its own adjust to its this thing. So flag we have chose, this we have chose, and now it's like a fighting symbol of 2 men. Then we're going to choose the invisible one, like from the sword when it's hit, it will disappear or will get invisible. Now just long press on it, and then when the characters have a yellow border outside it, it means it has gone to it. Now in this you should do only in one, and try to do it the topmost, because that is the most tough one to make out. So here again we are putting the fighting symbol, and then I'm going to put the third page symbol. So we have 1, 3, 4, because this is the second page. So now we have moved on to 4 page, but we are removing this because we just need 3 pages. Now I'm going to click on the background page again, choose the black background, and now write game over. You can write whatever you want. Basically you can write to win, you have won, something like that. So I put game over. Now again I'm going to click on the 4th icon at the topmost part, and then write to you win, and then some exclamation marks. And put it, I forgot to change the color, so I'm going to change the color now. Now I'm going to decrease the size of this. I'm going to click on the character button and make a character. Now here I'm going to make a circle, fill it with yellow. You can select the colors down, you have many color options. Select the yellow color and then make a smiley face on it. So you have to choose the curve first option, and then just shape whatever you want. You can make a happy emoji, basically something like a happy emoji. So I'm just putting like this, and then I'm going to make a big laughing mouth. It's a tongue and teeth or tooth. I did not like the game over one, so I'm going to change it and write play again. You can write anything, whatever you wish to. Now again I forgot to change the color. I'll make it white, and then I am going to make a character again. So click on the character plus button, choose the circular option, make a circle, fill it and then fill it with yellow, and then click on the plus paintbrush correct button, and then you can tick button, and then you can have this. You can just move aside so that it highlights the play again character 2. Now write play, and then we can just put it on this. Try to put the same color of the background so that it looks a little bit of contrast. So now we are putting this, and then I'm going to put the play button on this. And then what I'm going to do is that this 3 pages we have done, but we have to do the sword in the second page. Then we are going to do this second page because you have to play again. So just second page again, click symbol and the second page symbol. Now this is the first page, second page. Now we are going to put the sword in it. Here character plus button for the after character plus button, and then we are going to make a horizontal rectangle and a vertical rectangle too. So and then fill it with black color. So this is just the bottom part of the sword. Fill it with black. Then I'm going to make a rectangle over here too, and then what we can do is that the 6 options on our totally right at the right of our screen, that this has become too long. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on the arrow button, put it aside, and then make it little smaller with this with the dots that we have. Then I'm going to again shift it here. You can do these both with just the help of that first button. So you can just shift this triangle 2 with that button and then put it over here. So our sword is ready. I'm just decreasing the size of it, or else the birds will die too soon, because it will just get touched when it comes on the second round of it. So now I've decreased the size. Now again I'm going to put the click button, up button, 15 I made it, and then the close button. So when it just goes 15 and then stays again back to its place by going through the screen. So I've clicked on play, then I made the chicken out, then I won. Again I'm going to kill the chicken, and I've killed the fly too. I want to play again, so I'll just kill the butterfly. Oh no, it died. Then I'm going to kill the bird. I'm going to shoot at them, and then I'm going to shoot the chicken and the fly. So we are done with this game. Hope you enjoy this, and remember, we can play this game without any internet, and you'll be proud of yourself when you hear that you have made this game. So I'll play again and show a demo to you. Oh no, I tried to kill it. So I have killed the chicken, and then we have done this. You can make more of this, like if it's land animals, with water animals, marine animals. And then when you click on the home button, that is just right to the Scratch Junior thing, you will have the home button. There you click it and it will automatically get saved even if you close it then. So I'm just giving a name to the game, and I'll call it shooting game. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.